What's up, Royals? Welcome to Tonitra's Garden. You guys, a cold front has swept over the US. So it got cold last night. I believe it got down to like 31 degrees. And the highest temperature that it's been today is 51. Sorry, there's a dog barking. But we are losing daylight. I need to harvest these greens before the end of the night so that I don't completely lose them. So that's what we're gonna do in today's video. This weather just came out of nowhere. So we're gonna go ahead and harvest these collard greens together and see how many we get. So here's a peek at my collard greens before I harvest them. They are huge and I just absolutely cannot lose these. So we're gonna go ahead and harvest them. I have a couple over here that I need to harvest as well. Ooh. So let's go ahead and get to it. All right, so I got my scissors. You really don't need scissors, but just to make it easier on myself because I'm running out of daylight. We're gonna harvest these and I'm gonna do the cut and come again method. So I'm not gonna harvest the whole thing just across. I'm gonna actually harvest the leaves from the bottom up. I'm just gonna keep a few leaves at the top so that the plant can continue to grow. You don't take all of the leaves, you just take a few as you need them. But for tonight's purposes, I'm gonna heavily harvest these greens because I want to get all my harvest before the frost. Ooh, these have aphids all over them at the bottom. This one is clean. So if they have aphids, I mean, they can be rinsed, but I'd rather not have a ton of aphids all over them. But these look to be pretty nice. Look at that. This is exciting. Those look good. Aphids are at the bottom of these leaves, so we're not going to use those. We're going to throw those in the trash because you don't want the aphids to spread. But the upper leaves, I cannot talk today. The upper leaves look great. So, OMG, these are gorgeous. Look at this. Look at this. And that's half of a plant. Let me bring you in closer. These are so gorgeous. I need to share some of these, like, absolutely. Yeah, I'm pruning these back pretty hard. Broke one of their Swiss charms, but that's okay. Look how pretty. Okay, that's one plant. Okay, let's do the other plant. This plant on this side is huge. The leaves on this are huge. So there aren't any aphids on this bottom leaf, but it is chilly out here. So I did already harvest from my other greens, which are called, those have aphids on it, giant red mustards. Not really anything on that, because I'm going to be taking these in to clean them, so I want them as clean as possible to take inside. Whew. Gonna be some good eating, y'all. And these things grow like a tree, so if they do survive, they are going to put on some new growth. I'll let that one go. Whew. Tired, y'all. Okay, we'll let that one go. Look how crazy. This is absolutely insane. If y'all could see how huge these leaves are. Let me just be quiet. I'm talking too much. Okay. This is from one plant. Oh, look at this. Look how crazy. No, this is from two plants. Look at that. That is insane. Let me grab the other one so we can see all of it together. And I'm dropping them everywhere. This is my best greens harvest yet. Look at that. Look. Y'all, I need to stop. I still have another plant over there in the corner, which I don't even know that I'm gonna be able to get to it. Okay, maybe I can do, I don't even know where my scissors went. Okay, maybe I can do the other plant. Maybe I can. Let's try. Let's see what we can get. Because if I don't get these, they're gonna be dead in the morning. Oh, I have 3 more plants. Oh my gosh. I am going to cry. Y'all, I'm about to cry. Okay, we won't take that. We'll take this. Oh, why did I do this to myself? Why would I wait till the day of the freeze to harvest and process all these greens? Now, I don't know why I would do something like this. Don't ask me. I have absolutely no idea why. We don't waste no homegrown food around here. Okay, so this is what we got so far. This is crazy, y'all. Babe is gonna be like, what are you gonna do with all that? Okay. Like what? What are you gonna do? Okay. One more plant. I don't know. I don't know how many more plants, y'all. We're on the other side. I hope I have enough Ziploc baggies for these because this is not gonna be good. I think that's enough, y'all. I think that's enough for today. Whatever else happens is just gonna, oh my goodness, I'm tired. Okay, so two, 3. Okay, that's not it. I'm done for today. I'm gonna go in here, clean these up and freeze them. I did it before the freeze. I just couldn't let these die. Do y'all want greens? Do y'all want me to send y'all some greens? Let me know in the comments below. That wraps it up for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!